talk about the engineering of law. Yes, you heard me right. Law also has engineering in it. That means using philosophy, using jurisprudence, that's theories, using mathematics and science, using the social sciences as well in the practice of law to formulate laws, formulate theories that guide in the operation of law. Now, the sociological school of thought believes that law is actually a social engineering by the application of jurisprudence, application of mathematics, science into the study of human beings to control human beings, create orderliness in the society, bring about change in different sectors in the society, makes law engineering. Now, in a situation where there's a particular ill that is going on in the society and the government of that society wants to bring about a change, the only way such change can come into force is by introducing a particular law that will correct that ill in the society. Or a situation where there is actually a particular practice in that society that has now become archaic, does no longer align with the happenings, the current happenings in that society. Law can also be brought in as an instrument to introduce a particular aspect of life that now aligns with the current practice or the current trend in the society. For instance, in a situation where people lived a life that it was okay for people to um, um, bury their loved ones inside their houses. Now the law comes in to say, no, don't bury your loved ones inside your houses. Take a particular kind of measurement away from your house. But if you must do that, you're going to seek permission from the government to do that. That is law as engineering. But we must know that for every law that comes into being, the legislators or the government of that society already has something. There's an intent, there's an ill that the law is coming in to take care of, or there's something new that the law wants to introduce into the society. So some laws are punitive in nature, which means they prescribe punishment, but there is no means of administering those laws in the society. While some will come with both the processes of administering that law and the punitive side of the law. But it will be difficult to actually realize or achieve the full intent of the lawmaker without first asking yourself, yes, what is actually going on in this aspect of the society that this law has been introduced into? Now, when you know what is going on in that aspect of the society, you now ask yourself, what is the intention of the coming into force of this law? You must understand why the law, that particular law, has come into force. So when you understand what that particular law has come into, whether it is introduction of a new system of life, or to correct a particular ill in the society, or it is to harmonize interest in the society, then you will know that you will now know how to follow that law, because it will be difficult to actually achieve the effectiveness of any law without proper compliance. And that is where the compliance officers or the compliance lawyer comes into play, taking you step by step, giving you the intent of a particular law and the punishment that comes with default. So because laws are punitive, there is always punishment for bad behavior. I hope you have learned something today. Keep following us on this